Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, August 24th. I'm James Spann. Marco dissipating on the Gulf Coast this evening, but Laura poses a major threat for the western Gulf Coast at midweek. Let's go in there and talk about it. We'll see what's happening first off in the upper atmosphere. Got ridging nosing in from the Atlantic, and we think that ridge will be far enough west to keep Laura well to the west of Alabama at the time of landfall later this week. There's a visible satellite view. Marco just fizzling out. The low-level swirl is well detached from the convection and probably will be a tropical depression by the time you watch this. Otherwise, partly sunny for the north, cloudy for the south. The bulk of the rain with Marco over the Florida Panhandle and southeast Alabama, basically south of a line from near Auburn down to Fort Deposit and Mobile. Just a good soaking type rain down there. Heard of no tornado problems today or waterspouts so far. Temperatures in the 80s. That's okay for August. Birmingham 84. We'll stay mostly in the mid to upper 80s each day for the rest of the week. There's the watch warning map around the country. Up north, the heat advisories for some of the states in the upper Midwest. Down this way, we've got a flash flood watch for southern Mobile and Baldwin counties and the coastal counties of northwest Florida with the rain falling from Marco. There's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have risks way up north and down this way. We've got the standard slight risk now from Mobile over to Port St. Joe and Apalachicola for the possibility of a brief waterspout or a brief tornado. But again, so far we've heard of no problems so far today. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk up around Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia. That'll be a big severe weather day for them. Down here, a marginal risk around southeast Louisiana. And day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk as Laura approaches for parts of Louisiana and south and western Mississippi. Rain for the next 7 days, heaviest rain probably west of the state. Laura will likely come in Wednesday night, the next tropical system, and drop a lot of rain over Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. Amounts in Alabama, heaviest over the southwest and northwest corner of the state. And let's talk tropics. First off, other than Marco and Laura, it's very quiet across the deep tropics, and that's good. Again, Marco will be dissipating soon. Should be a depression by the time you watch this. The remnant circulation just kind of drifting through South Louisiana. But the focus will be on Laura. Top winds are 60 miles an hour. And understand, this thing has been interacting with Cuba all day today. But it should emerge into the Gulf, become a hurricane by tomorrow night. And the track from the Hurricane Center brings it up into the western Louisiana coast. Wednesday night is an upper end Category 2. This thing might be a major hurricane at the time of landfall. Modeling is in very good agreement here. This is the tropical model output set, and this is the GFS ensemble. And you can see the members are tightly clustered in that NHC landfall point on the western Louisiana coast down below Lake Charles. This is the intensity guidance, and the shear will not be as great for Laura compared to Marco. Shear just 8 Marco up. But Laura expected to be a Category 2 at the time of landfall, might be a 3, might be a major hurricane. I would say folks that are preparing for this would need to maybe think about Rita as a good analog. So let's go through the GFS. This is the 12Z run valid tomorrow at 4. You see that 591 ridge nosing in here, and that's going to shunt Laura off to the west. Down below that, it'll be a day like today, a lot of clouds around, and we'll have a chance of showers, maybe some thunder, kind of a cloudy, showery day. And Laura's down there in the Gulf. Wednesday, Laura coming up on the Louisiana coast, and we might be in subsidence in a zone of sinking air Wednesday on the edge of that circulation. So Wednesday could be a relatively dry day with upper 80s. Then Thursday, Laura is coming up through South Arkansas, and we'll have to watch. Thursday will be on the east side of the circulation, and I mentioned Rita as an analog. I have to say that Rita did produce some tornadoes in Alabama, so that's something we'll have to watch as we get closer. We'll have to see what the structure of the storm is and what it looks like once this thing gets in the Gulf, but Thursday will be a day to watch the weather. And then Friday, the remnant circulation passing well to the north, but the precipitable water values are just very high. It's going to be a very humid day, so looks pretty wet on Friday, cloudy with periods of rain, very humid. Saturday, the moist air stays in place. Of course, the tropical system long gone. A mix of sun and clouds with scattered, maybe numerous showers and thunderstorms, and the same thing on Sunday. Again, not a washout, but showers from time to time. Highs for the weekend, I'd say 87 to 90. This is a week from today, Monday the 31st. Ooh, look at the cool trough digging down across the northern states. First really good push of cool air for the maybe the first day of meteorological fall, which is the next day. And again, for us, that day looks typical, partly sunny with a few scattered showers and storms. We'll go out 10 days, Thursday, September 3rd. Cool trough up in Canada, a little shortwave just to the west, and that looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham, numbers are ticking up. This is off the GFS ensemble. The mean now is in excess of 3 inches here for the next 15 days. Temperatures mostly upper 80s, lows mostly in the 70s through the middle of next week. And here's the new Cpc Outlook, September 1st through the 7th. And look at the shades of blue north of here. That's some very cool air. That's a first good shot of fall right there, but probably not reaching us. This is suggesting temperatures down here could still be a bit above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.